I'm Oleg Khokhlov, Head of Banking Finance at Goltsblat BLP, and today we're going to share with you our experiences of the Russian financial markets over the last year. One of the major trends that we have seen is increasing influence of Asian finance and Chinese finance in particular. We have seen a number of major Chinese banks coming to Russia. They're establishing their subsidiaries or they're financing Russian companies directly from their Asian balance sheets. We have done quite detailed research and we've seen more than 40 transactions that have been closed over the last 2 years. In the area of pure finance, it's almost $17 billion, and in the area of investment projects, it's more than $245 billion, which is quite a substantial amount. Russian corporates are looking very closely at both bilateral financing and capital markets financing in Hong Kong and in China. We see new legal challenges that Russian corporates are facing. In particular, it's the rise of new arbitration centers, such as in Hong Kong and Singapore. They have quite good reputation. For example, Singapore has 20th place in the global rating of arbitration centers independence. And Hong Kong is at 5th place in this rating, which is quite good. And we see incremental move from traditional arbitration centers such as London and Stockholm. And also the sanctions are still important consideration in the legal analysis. And although Chinese banks are more liberal in this respect, they are also doing their due diligence, and if the Russian corporate is on the sanction list of EU or US, then it will probably delay the transaction or may even put it on hold, in particular if we're talking about global Chinese banks, which are becoming more and more internationalized. And also we see increasing influence of yuan in the international trade. The recent inclusion of yuan into the reserve currency pool affects this as well. And what we are hearing from major Chinese corporates and financial institutions, they're saying that now when yuan is one of the reserve currencies, they see more arguments for pushing their counterparts to use yuan in the international trade and also in the financings as well. And we have seen a number of financings in yuan, although their share is still quite limited in comparison to traditional currencies such as US dollars. We would be happy to discuss these potential opportunities for both Chinese financial institutions and Russian clients in detail. Thank you.